Welcome to meat.A's Delicacies. Friends, here I have for you a very interesting recipe of mud crabs. So do watch the video till the end so that you see how to clean live mud crabs and make a delicious crab Xeq Xeq. And if you are new to my channel or hasn't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new and exciting recipe. And if you like my video, please do like and do share it with your family and friends so that they too enjoy watching my videos. So let's get started. Here I have some fresh mud crabs and they need to be washed thoroughly well before they have been cooked. I prefer them washing the live crabs really well and then I straight away clean them. You see how big these mud crabs are. Right. Now you must be wondering how I dare to clean these mud crabs live when they have such big pincers. As you notice, the pincers of my mud crabs have been locked and that's the reason why they cannot bite me. Crabs are of male and female. The one with a triangular flap are the male crabs, whereas the one with a broader oval kind of a flap are the female crabs. Female crabs are more tastier and they have the eggs in it, what we call the lark, and very delicious to eat. Now this is a male crab, whereas the one in my right hand is the female crab. And they are more tastier and delicious compared to the male crab. You can see that my crab pincers have been locked and they are easy to handle. Now let's clean the crabs. Open up this flap, twist it, crack open the shell and remove this coney fleshy part of it. Basically the lungs of the crabs, and it is not consumed and it tastes terrible as well. Most of the people prefer to keep the greenish part of the crab which is inside, which is basically the liver of the crab, and it is quite tasty they say, but I prefer to remove them. It is each one's preference. Crack open the shell, then twist the mouth of the crab and remove as I am demonstrating it here to you. Remove the cones or the lungs of the crab and discard them. Clean it nicely. And do the remaining crabs likewise. Do keep this lark of the crab. It is really delicious to eat. And here I have cleaned all my crabs, washed them thoroughly well once again, season them with sea salt and let them rest for about half an hour. Until then, let's get ready with the Xeq Xeq masala. Now here I have 1.5 cup of freshly grated coconut, 2 pieces of cinnamon stick, about 10-12 cloves, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, a small piece of nutmeg for that extra flavor and aroma, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns and about 10 Kashmiri chilies. And I have here 1 lemon-sized ball of tamarind which I soaked in warm water. Now let's slightly roast all these spices till they turn aromatic and a little of crispy kind of. Just break the cinnamon stick so that it becomes easy for you to grind in your mixer. I prefer dry roasting in my old pan because a non-stick pan can sometimes get spoiled with your dry roasting. Once the spices have turned a little crispy, remove from the pan and let them rest and cool down. Until then, slightly toast the coconut. I'm not going to brown it, but because I prefer the light brownish color for my Xeq Xeq. Dry roast the onion as well. Now I'm going to just make powder of the spices here. To this I am going to add the coconut and the onions and the soaked tamarind. Add a little of water and grind it to a coarse paste. Bright golden color, and see it is coarse. Xeq Xeq paste should always be ground coarse. Add the remaining coconut and grind similarly, and here it is ready. Now if your mixer is a large jar, you can do it all in one go. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato and saute till translucent. Add 2-3 green chilies for that extra kick of spice. It is optional and according to one's preference. Add the marinated crabs to it. If you prefer, then you can cut them into 2 pieces, but I like them this way. And cover and cook for about 5 minutes. And you see, after 5 minutes, add the ground masala paste to it. Adjust the consistency and let it cook on medium flame for about 10 minutes. Give it a quick mix. These mud crabs are really delicious. Add a little of salt if required and let it cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. You see, my crabs are almost done. It's cooked and ready now. My Crab Xec Xec is ready. Let it rest for 5 minutes and then here my delicious Crab Xec Xec is ready to devour upon. One thing you remember, that Crab Xec Xec is never a runny gravy, but it is a thick gravy. And it tastes better this way. My delicious Crab Xec Xec is ready to be relished. Friends, do try this Crab Xec Xec recipe of mine and enjoy with your family and friends. And friends, you can try this recipe on the sea crab as well. Until next week, try Crab Xec Xec, enjoy it with your family. Watch Melita's Delicacies. Be blessed, keep safe, and thank you. God bless you.